John Mahoney in the 3. Harlan hanging out in the 4 spot on the Deersen bike. And out there, pumping hard, little Jake Terlecki. All right, this one's total points. Every lap counts, guys. Man, I hear these bikes clanking through the rhythms. All right, bringing it back to the stripe. It's gonna be Barton. Roberts on the 2, Mahoney on the 3, Colbert on the 4 if he can keep that thing upright, and Terlecki on the 5. Total points, every race counts. Up top, Jake Gaston, killing it. Out front right now, overtaking Nico Colagrassi. Ricky Terlecki slides in the 2 spot. Nico's hanging. Caleb, you need some bigger cranks on that bike, bro. All right, let's clear the finish line, guys. Jake's coming with a whole head of steam here. All right, in the top class, it's gonna be Gaston on the 1, Terlecki on the 2, Colagrassi on the 3, Caleb on the 4. Okay, pit bike riders, Gaston. Pit bike parade lap coming up next.